Village Workshop provides more than just a space for hobbyists to make things. It's also a complete resource for those who are business-minded to design, prototype, and build. That means that if you have an idea for a business, an invention, a product that you want to test in the marketplace, or you're thinking about starting a business but lack the resources, then build it at the Village Workshop.
One of our passions here is to help entrepreneurs, help budding businesses grow. So the idea is to have a facility where people who have an idea can make a prototype and do a little bit of production here just to kind of test the waters, see if their ideas work, see if they can start selling some of their products so that they don't have to make an enormous investment up front for equipment that can run hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Workshop gave me a lot of tools that I never had access to before. A lot of this stuff on here is plasma cut with the CNC plasma cutter. Before I would have had to do it with the bandsaw, and stainless steel is not fun to work with. And all the sheet metal tools, I can roll these, I can cut these out and bend them. A lot of stuff, tools especially, and there's also a lot of people with ideas here too that help. I'd like to think I know everything, but we all know I don't, and some good suggestions come from members here and some good techniques, and it really helped help these all come together.
Even if you're a novice with tools and technology, don't let that stop you. We'll help you develop those skills as you take your idea to market.
We've got some guys on the third floor that started a business, just young guys that came up with an idea. They built a prototype. They're already taking it to the world. They're putting them in boxes and mailing them out.
For me personally, I feel like I got a PhD in craft making and entrepreneurial skills because I learned how to weld. I learned how to use the ShopBot and CNC wood. I was always able to use carpentry in my past, but now I'm able to take it to another level with technology, 3D printing, CAD, engineering CAD. So I'm able to then apply that to my own businesses as well.
If you want, you can operate your business right here at the Village Workshop. Work from one of our cubicles on wheels. We call them cows. When you rent a cow, you have access to our complete facility.
Yeah, they're literally a cubicle on wheels. They unfold and they have a room for a desk, a place for your computer, for your garbage can, a place to hang your coat, all your tools, your equipment, your supplies, and at the end of the day, they fold up, you lock it, and push it out of the way.
Yeah, I rent one of these mobile cubicles, and it makes the perfect little office for startups. I'm starting an engineering company, so it's ideal for me. I've got my computers here, I got access to the Village Workshop, so it's really the perfect environment. I don't need an entire office. I've also got all kinds of engineers up here, and we like to kick ideas off each other and sort of work up some synergy.
This is a place where, for a limited amount of money, you can have an office, set up shop, have a mailing address. We give free Wi-Fi, and have access to a shop.
Perhaps you are an established operation that could use an off-site location for prototyping and your R&D. The Village Workshop can satisfy that need with its state-of-the-art facility.
Sure. This is an ideal place for somebody that wants something off-site. They want to be able to send their engineering group or their design group or their product development group over here, rent a cow and have a satellite office and have somebody get away for a few hours a day or one afternoon, even a week.
Being here at the Village Workshop affords my business a lot of tooling that we wouldn't otherwise have access to. For instance, we can take this part, which is a mold of a cylinder head port and combustion chamber. We can scan that on the laser scanner just in the other room. So that's a very expensive piece of equipment that normally we would never be able to obtain. And things like, there's a very large bandsaw in the machine shop that we can have access to do things like cylinder head cutaways. So quite a lot of resources that are very valuable to our business.
We were able to actually take a cup from our fins that you see here. It actually mixes the Tespo vitamins with water. We were finding that this wasn't actually mixing our vitamins properly. So we needed to go back to the drawing board. We re-engineered it, and noticing the time it would take to send something over to our manufacturer and get it tested, get it shipped back to us, test it on site, it just was constantly adding weeks on our lead time. But with the Village Workshop, we were able to literally 3D print a cup here on site, turn a cup into a production grade Tespo cup, and literally cut our production in 4 to 5 weeks just because of the opportunities with the 3D printed services.
The Village Workshop is a place where businesses can turn ideas and concepts into rapid, tangible results with access to state-of-the-art design, prototype, and production equipment. The Village Workshop, where work gets done.